Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through about the visitor visa requirements and application for Barbados. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when it comes to Barbados, it's a very beautiful country in um, the Caribbean, and they do issue entry visa application. I mean entry visa. Then finally at the port of entry, an immigration officer who's gonna examine you is gonna take the final decision whether to let you in or not. Now, very first thing is to determine if you really need a visa for visiting Barbados or not. So on this official immigration website, if you scroll down, you have a link. Click here to find out the countries for which Barbados requires visitors to obtain visa. Oh, wait, I'll open it in a new tab so that we can stay here. Okay, so you can see, and they have also specified where you can obtain the visa. For example, for Afghanistan national, uh, they uh, they when they enter Barbados, they do need a visa, right? So that's how it is. And now if you scroll down, let's check for Canada. You can check for your country. Okay, and they have other comment. Was stay for maximum of 6. Commonwealth country Canadians can stay for a maximum of 6 without a visa. Now 6 months, 6 weeks, they haven't specified, but we can get more clarity about that. And let's say you are from India. So when Indian nationals visit or Barbadians nationals traveling, so they need a visa and uh, okay, we'll go for this column because this is for foreign national entering Barbados. So Indians also don't need a visa. But if Bar people from Barbados those want to visit, they can uh, follow this process. Okay. So similarly, you can go through this list and locate your information from where you can actually apply. And also, guys, I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. I should have said it earlier, but it's fine. I can say it now. So these are the missions where they have now. Suppose you need a visa. Let's go through that. Then you need to put an application form filled, one passport size photograph, copies of outer cover and biometric page of passport. Okay. Birth certificate, marriage certificate, cover letter, copy of appointment letter if you are attending here, an employment letter from school, college, or university. And the for fee they have given for single entry $107 in US and multiple entry $211. Documents not in English must be certified by must be accompanied by a certified copy of English translation. Okay. Documents and fees may be sent by this. And if you send your passport or other things, you need to include a prepaid airway bill for the return of the passport. Okay. Otherwise, how it will be. Crossing period is 3 weeks. Okay. All right. And fee information they have also sent, like it can be sent by money order or a bank draft. And we have also seen like where it can be applied. Now let's go through the application form. We can open it from here. First is personal details. You can check surname, middle name, given name, date of birth. You can edit it, gender, marital status, any other name you have used, place of birth, country of birth, passport details, address, permanent address, intended address where you're gonna stay. Then you visit information, reason of visit, type of visa you ask for single, multiple, photography, photograph, and then sign. So this you need to attach. So that's how the process is, guys, and I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.